Good afternoon. My name is Deymar Baños Padilla. I a student of the National Open and Remove University, group number 14, from the Strategic Management Program, SEAT Colosal Sucre. I will be presenting the collab case using the problem tree tool. Why is characterized by having a main problem, cases, and consequence. The main problem, inability to modify the core business, as well as leveraging capacity to create value. The, the problem solves from other business units such as health, reluctant to remodifying their core business, lost the control of the film camera and photographic finishes, the layup raising to relevant chance. The consequence, applied for bankruptcy projection, relevant loss in the digital market, focus on creating the digital camera. The development, the cameras were underpurchased and undervalued. Billboard evidence, a person. Thank you.